let me ask you this. How much time is your sales team wasting manually entering data from PDFs? For operations managers, this is an absolute nightmare. It's soul-crushing, it's incredibly time-consuming, and it inevitably leads to super frustrating, costly high error rates. It honestly just drains the energy right out of your most capable staff. The contrast here is just night and day. The old way, you're looking at manual data entry. But the DocVision way brings automated extraction, instant generation, and flawless accuracy directly inside Acumatica, completely eliminating the need to type out orders line by excruciating line. DocVision packs some absolutely incredible core features to make this automation a reality. First off, you've got smart customer recognition, which automatically identifies customer and ship-to information from each PDF using pre-configured templates. Second is per-customer PDF mapping. This allows you to customize parsing rules because, let's face it, no two clients use the exact same format. Third, and honestly, this is huge, it features a seamless Acumatica ERP integration. It's built natively for Acumatica, which means zero external dependencies. And finally, the scalable and configurable architecture makes it totally effortless to onboard new customers as your business grows. So here's a quick mental map of the three-part workflow we're about to explore together. Step 1, configuring Azure. Step 2, mapping those PDF settings. And step 3, actually generating the sales orders. When you're in the setup screen inside Acumatica, you'll need to configure your API key and base URL. Now notice that Test Credentials button right up near the top. Hitting that is super important. It basically ensures Acumatica is communicating perfectly with Microsoft's cloud platform. Once you do that, you'll get a vital green checkmark indicating the credentials are valid and ready to go. Welcome to the PDF Import Settings workspace. Once you bring a PDF file in, this interface lets you define the exact mapping between the PDF values and your Acumatica values, things like order type and PO number. You can do this automatically or manually. But here's the absolutely crucial part to remember. During the actual sales order generation, only the fields that have the active checkbox ticked under the Import Mappings tab will actually be uploaded. This guarantees that your Acumatica environment remains the ultimate single source of truth. But, what happens if a customer simply forgets to include a PO number? The dynamic PO number checkbox automatically engages if no number is detected, throwing up a bright yellow warning message that says, "The document for the mapping does not have any number. Please select an alternative PO number." Inventory Cross-Reference tab. Enabling this lets you manually map specific PDF items directly to your Acumatica inventory IDs. And get this, if you have a huge list of items, you do not have to do it one by one. This is where the real magic happens. You can actually bulk import all those item mappings straight into the system using a simple Excel file. Generating sales orders. DocVision uses a super intuitive traffic light system, which means your team never has to guess what's going on. It's really straightforward. Green means everything is mapped correctly and the file is ready to generate. Red means there's an issue with an item line. And it even gives you a clear error message telling you exactly what went wrong. And yellow simply indicates that items still need mapping. On the Generate Sales Order screen, your queued documents are just sitting there ready to go. You can easily filter using the document number search bar, hit Import for a single doc, or just click Import All at the top to process the entire batch instantly. Once the run is complete, the system automatically ticks the generated checkbox, confirming your Acumatica sales order has been successfully created. Done and dusted. DocVision minimizes data entry mistakes by extracting information directly from source documents. By standardizing all of your incoming sales data, completely regardless of the weird and wonderful document styles your different customers might use, you dramatically reduce those pesky errors, you lower return rates, and you build unshakable trust in your internal data. Thanks so much for watching this explainer. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more Acumatica content, and modernize your workflow inside Acumatica.